Come on, big guy. You know what we need, all right? You know what we need. Oh, minor, our favorite. Oh, what's minor? 30 bucks. Oh, a huge one, $56 one. We got a minor and a $56 one. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, is this the one? Oh, is that a sign for things to come? Cash collect. Happy Easter, everyone. We're at the Durango. As you can see, the light is shining through, and we are on our favorite love-hate relationship with Mo Mummy. $200 in, hopefully many hundreds out. We had a tough go with a Chica Bonita, but time to rectify this right now. Oh, it's not accepting my money. Okay, there we go. So we'll start with 5 cents and $5. Big bet. When it shows credit, you don't know what it's betting, so it could be scary. Okay. So those are the progressives up there. $5 to start. The volume is so low. There we go. That's what we needed. Volume max, almost max. Keep going. Okay, let's switch to 1 cent. I don't like how it changes the thing each time. It changes it from dollars back to credits. Oh. It just gave us one last time. Is it gonna do it again now? Oh my God. Green, huge one. I just saw it fly by. Wrong color, wifey says. Wifey's behind me. Happy Easter, as you can see. It's a nice sunny Sunday. We're trying our best here. Oh, no. Come on, Mr. Mummy. We'd like to get free games along with that. You couldn't came a few spins ago. There he is. He's making fun of us. Oh, that's a good one. Please. Oh, it's jackpot. I wish it was cash collect, but it's jackpot. Because that was a $45 one. So how should we pick it to get our mini? Let's just do this. Oh, I didn't do it. High five it, she says. We want our mini. Give us our mini, hurry up. Yeah, that one. Give us our mini, please. There it is, here it is. Mini. Mini. Thank you. Thank you. I wanted it, only one I wanted. I only have eyes for you, Mini. I only have eyes for you, Mini. Thank you so much. That, like, when you see the jackpot one full, it just like, it's literally, it doesn't even matter. It's gonna be a mini 99% of the time. The numbers are really big here, come on. Oh, you could have done this. The mini is silly. Let's up the bet a little bit. 375, maybe, oh, there we go. These greens are huge, triple. 3. 2 more. We came to get a cash collect here. Collect, oh, okay. I said it and it's gonna happen. There's so many big ones, come on now. Now. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. So many greens kept popping up. I mean, why? Another one. I'm gonna be greedy now. Okay. All right. We just said so many of them kept coming up. So here it is. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on. Multiple green ones, please. Okay. Come on, big guy. You know what we need, all right? You know what we need. Oh, minor, our favorite. Oh, what's minor? 30 bucks. Oh, a huge one, $56 one. We got a minor and a $56 one. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, is this the one? Is this the time? Wifey said he's sorry. Last time we did this, I don't want to say it, he got cut short before the finals, so. Oh, another big one. Oh, huge. Okay. So we've never seen anybody win the grand on this game. Can we do it now? Just don't let this all be for naught, please. Come on, don't let this all be for naught. Let's go. Okay. Oh, yes, come on. Let's go. This is the magic of this game, people. Easter Sunday, Durango Casino. Let the magic live on. Come on. We need you, Mr. Mummy. Come on. Oh, drop those in there, please. Drop those in there. We have 5 spins. So those are pretty good so far. I mean, okay. Let's drop 5 green ones. Or the major. Oh, another 56. Oh, it's right outside the window. Okay, guys. Channel your energy. Channel your energy. Mr. Mo Mummy. Look at this bright sunny day. Look at where we are. Easter Sunday. What a good setting to hit this grand, right? In there. So this happened to me last time. I got a lot and then it kind of fizzled out at the end. Okay, those are pretty good ones at least. I mean, 2 more or just like drop the major in there, okay? We can drop the major in there, that's fine. Okay. Oh, 1 random one at the end? I mean, it was like 5 spins, but I think it's about $500, so. Yeah, YB said, are you even now? We're definitely up, so that's good. We appreciate it, Mr. Mo Mummy. That definitely deserves a clap. 490 some odd $1 million. Okay, so we're in for 200. We'll do 10 backup spins, okay? 10, okay, starting, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 'Oh my God! Wifey's right behind me. We did it again, baby. Come on. Always do your backup spins, people. Set a number though. Set a number. If you're gonna do like 10 backup spins, 15, whatever. I don't know how it could be any better than that last one, but we're gonna try our best. Easter Sunday, fun day. Come on. Let's go. Who deserves it more? Okay, 1 is good. I mean, different trajectory, but that's what she said. Oh, it's another good one. Okay, come on, Mommy. Yes, one more. Come on. We're trying our absolute best here. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Whew. Everyone channel. So we got it with 2 left. That's really good still. So let's go. Okay. Drop one of those progressives, please. I think we got the minor last time, right? So. Oh, that we got a lot of those 56 ones randomly last time. So. Yeah, come on. Emeralds, diamonds, whatever you want to be called. Oh, Minnie, your favorite. Let's get her 50. Let's got your favorite. 3 and 1, but it's really hard, but let's get some progressives. So we won't be greedy. Anything that falls in right now is really nice. Nope. I mean, it couldn't have been better than that first one, like almost $500. It's nice to get something else after. This is a huge comeback for us today. Look at this. Beautiful. Does that mean we reset the 10? Yeah, as I have to reset. Wifey said we have to reset the 10. 1. 7-Eleven 2. 3. Oh, the mummy was up there again. 4. Oh, one mini over there. 5. 6. Why not though? 7. Oh, just pop it naturally. 8. 9. Oh, it's right at the top. You can still pop 9. Okay, and the finale, people. Oh, it was at the top. And that is how it wants the J-Beta. I saw 3 huge ones fly by, but that's a good one. Okay, so that was a good one, and we appreciate it. And that is Easter Sunday Fun Day, people. Hope you all having a good time with your family, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.